Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contro Podcast. You are listening to Constant Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want. These are nothing but you practice, you will become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. Hey Sanjay here. You need to decide plenty of things when you are just starting new things. Let's say you want to join a new job, or let's say you want to start a new work or a new startup. You need to think a lot, but there are people who say that if you just think very slow, your competitors will move way more ahead from you. So it will be very hard to cope up with them. At the same time, it will be very hard to beat that particular competitor. How do you do that? How do you think so fast in your life, and how do you think so slow in your life? You need to think so fast in your life when you have plenty of data. Let's say you are just thinking about landing on Jupiter. You don't have any data, or you don't have any history of people landing on Jupiter, right? So what do you do at that particular time? You just think very slow. And collect lots and lots of data. It takes years to do that. That is the reason space research takes many years. But what happens? How do you think so fast? You just learn so quick. How do you learn so quick? You just go to Google and learn some new things. Let's say you just want to manufacture this particular mug. You want to gift it to someone with a custom made name. Let's say you have to put their name over here. What do you have to do? You just go to Google and search the information out there and get the data and do it so fast. So how do you decide so fast? When you have plenty of data. How do you decide slow? When you have less data. So once you get more and more experience, it means that you can make hell lot of quick decisions. How do you make quick decisions? In the sense, you make mistakes. Every single time when you fail, you learn from that, and then you make easy things, and then you make some quick decisions. People who just start today, they feel like I just want to become a billionaire within 1 month, within 1 year, within 2 years. When I just started, even I had the same idea, but that's not gonna happen. You need to take it slow at the beginning. You need to analyze different things. You need to analyze different data. Collect more data, and once you know that what you are expert in, try to explore that, try to expand that, try to include lots and lots of work on that. Automate that after your experience. Once you try to automate your business after a certain experience, what you can do is you can just scale up. You can just speed up a lot. So that is my personal experience about speed and patience. So you want to note that entrepreneurship, it's not just a speed game, or it's not just a patience game. You need to understand that it is up to you. If you just ask Warren Buffett how to invest in stocks, he might tell you this is the right stock, you can invest. But if you ask a beginner how to invest in stocks, he might just struggle. So it's not that for me it's so fast, you have to be fast, or for me it is very slow, you have to be slow. It is your personal game. Entrepreneurship or your life, it's your personal game. So start doing it for you. Start doing it for according to your speed, the speed that resonates with your soul, the speed that resonates with your mind and your learning ability. So that is how you become a great person. I'll meet you guys at the top. Thank you. Bye.